Would you love to learn how to formulate a hair growth mist? Then keep watching this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here at Midex Formulation School, I share tips and tricks that would help you on your formulation journey. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe by clicking the notification bell down below. So today, I'll be teaching you how to formulate a hair growth mist at home. And this mist will help to revitalize your hair and also hydrate your hair. Let's get right into it. Let's start by sterilizing your workspace. I had already done that, but I was just showing you guys. And for this video I'll be using my spray bottle because I'm making a very little quantity, and then I'll be using rosemary leaves. Then this is my beaker. I'll also be adding preservative and glycerine. If you don't have glycerine at home, you can use honey, and you can also use other teas instead of rosemary. The benefits of rosemary tea is actually endless. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with hair growth, reduces hair fall, helps with dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp. Rosemary tea is really nice, so I'll go ahead to boil it. And then I'm starting my formulation with measuring the rose water. And this is my glycerine. As I said, you can use honey if you don't have glycerine at home, it will make sense. And then this is the tea. I already boiled my rosemary leaves for a few minutes, and I extracted the tea, that's the water, and then I'll be measuring it. So I already measured all these things off camera because my scale is having issues. So you can check for the formula in the description box. So I'm just going to give it a little shake, and I'll be adding the preservative, that is Germal Plus, and then after adding it I'll also give it a little shake, and that is it. Our hair growth mist is ready. Use this hair mist on your hair for the next few weeks and come back to thank me. So you can decide to add fragrance oil to this formulation, though it's a water formulation. And if you don't know how to do that, then check my other video where I shared how to mix oil and water together. This is me applying it on my sister's hair. So try it out on your hair and let me know how it feels. Now, I believe you can formulate your own hair growth mist. This is a basic hair mist, and you can also include other ingredients like your vitamins, your hydrolyzed protein, your plant extract, carrier oil, essential oil, herbs, and so many other ingredients. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do subscribe by clicking the notification bell down below. If you would also love to learn how to formulate hair care products like a professional, then my professional course is for you. Send me a DM on Instagram at @Midex_formulation school for more information. You can also watch previous videos that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.